This week I'm testing the Subaru Forester Hybrid. It's a mid-size 5-seater SUV, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the auto lock and unlock doors. They make going to and from the car with kids really nice and simple, and you don't have to fumble around in your bag for the keys. Number 2 is the facial recognition. It adjusts everything back to your own settings without you having to do anything. Number 3 are the camera views. Using the button down in the central console, you can see the front, rear and curb side of the Forester, as well as using the reversing camera, which makes manoeuvring and parking, especially in school and supermarket car parks, much easier. I've enjoyed my week with the Subaru Forester Hybrid. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.